Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you this seat cushions. So these are for car seats. You can place them on your car seats and you'll not feel that much hot, or you'll not sweat that much as compared to normal seats. And these are acupuncture also, and these are automate from a brand known as Automate, and it is made in China. It's written over here that it is made in China. So let's open it. So you can hold it like this, and there are these two plug buttons by which you can open it like this, and then you're good to go. And if you want, you can place them, put it back if you don't want to use, and you can use that bag also. So if you see, this is really long. This much portion you can keep for seating purpose, and this is the back one. Rest is the back one. You need to put it in long way, and there is a thread that it is given, so you need to tie the thread from back, and then it will be fixed in your car. So this is the method to use, and it costed me $9.01. So this is it. It is very beautiful, it's very comfy, and I have earlier also used it, so I know that it is very nice. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. And if you want to purchase this, let me know. I'll tell you shop from where I purchased. Thank you friends. Bye bye.